Gerald W. Brister here again, and let's talk about something that mostly in our khaki and blue collar world we don't really know much about. White collar people know a lot about it. HR people know a lot about this. But I was taught it by these older welders. They understood this from way back when they were trained. And they called it the law of first impressions. Well, what does that mean? If you'll go look in psychology books and you'll do a little study online, and numbers always vary when you research, you make a first impression with people, get this, in 7/10 of a second to 7 seconds. And I believe that. You don't even realize it. That's the science. And the first thing people notice about you is your appearance. First thing they notice in your appearance is your clothing. The second thing they notice is your footwear, male or female. And that impression stays. And if it's a negative one, it hardly ever goes away. That's the science. Some people say you can change it with a lot of positives. Maybe you can. You can't even explain it sometimes. People just don't like you, and they can't even put their finger on it. But it happens. The other thing, though, that's the worst thing to me is they don't change. They just won't change. It won't matter what you do. So your first impression is a very important thing. And I was taught by these welders that we needed to dress right, we needed to work right, and we needed to represent our trade, so when another tradesman went somewhere, he was well thought of as soon as he got out of his truck. Gerald W. Brister.